na nitawapatia namba yao hapo chini. So you use these 3
nilichopata nikiomba walisema kitakwisha, nikitoa shukurani hadharani wakasema najigamba.
Scent of the day, guys. How you doing? Hope you're blessed. Kama kawa kama dawa, I'm blessed. You can tap onto mine if you're not, because each channel ni ya watu waliobarikiwa. So this is the scent of the day, Black Opium by YSL, and this is the original. And let me tell you, inaisha wadau, nasikia uchungu. Every time I wear this, I must get a compliment. Like seriously, and the men love it. The men love it. Atakuhug, atakukwamilia. So any reason why I'm wearing this today? No, I just felt like I want to smell good. Naenda tao actually errands, and that is the fit of the day. I told you, when I'm in a dress, I feel like I can conquer the world. Actually, naenda downtown, naenda Tungsten, nitawaonesha. They have a sale. Almost everything is going at almost half price, and they have new arrivals, guys. They got new arrivals. That is the fit of the day. Naenda Tungsten, alafu nitapitia pia Eurocity wako na sale. The lady told me she has a sale, so pia uko nitaenda niwaonesha what is on sale. So mnaweza changamka, guys, changamkeni. Sale ya Tungsten. If you want modern lights, there we go. If you've been saving for the modern lights, if you've been having the screenshots, this is the time to get it. So naenda downtown RNG Plaza, Tungsten at their physical shop, and then to Ruai Eurocity, and then to the gym. Actually I have 3 errands that are mingi, sindio? So let's go, guys. The worst happened, guys, when I went to Tungsten. I couldn't vlog enough because my phone was misbehaving. I also went to Eurocity, but if you're interested to see what they have, what Eurocity has, what Tungsten has on offer, you can go check on my Instagram. I have daily plugs over there. Kindly follow me on Instagram for daily updates and also to know what is on offer, because as I told you, Eurocity is doing the clearance sale and the Tungsten have end year sales. I know you're wondering what's wrong with that nail. I know. So my nail, as soon as it grows to full length, it inatoka. I've tried to do fungal infection treatments, nini imekata. So anyway, my nail tech here has always had a solution. You will never know. You will have, hauwezi jua sina hiyo kucha. He will work on it properly and you will see the results. Like I can wear my sandals. Imagine kama hangekuwa na solution. And then this technique that he uses, this nail can go up to 2 months bila kutoka, with zero worries, by the way, ati itatoka. Actually, there's a time I went almost for more than 10 weeks with a nail. It's an acrylic thingy, I think, He best knows how he does it or how he calls it. So if you're suffering from the same situation, look at that. Hauwezi jua ile kucha ndio hiyo. If you're suffering from the same situation, this is the Eclat, wako Roysambu, Salama Business Center, Lumumba Drive, and also you can check them out on all the socials, TikTok, Instagram, wanajita the Eclat. Namba yao ndio hiyo hapo, nimewaekea hapo, and I've always plugged you with the Eclat. Let me tell you, hapa ni VIP treatment. They are professionals. I mean, whatever they do to your nail, you will never regret. You'll get value for your money.
Is that too obvious? Okay, I like your confidence. confidence. Oh, that's what good confidence. Okay, like Kalani's. I just like Kalani's. Thank you where the body is. I know where the body is. I love the way your body is. Is that too obvious? Okay, I like your confidence. Oh, that's what good confidence. Okay, like Kalani's. I just like Kalani's. Thank you where the body is. I know where the body is. You better start a whole fire, now I'm on fire, I need someone, I need Tyler, I need Red Money, Rebecca, Serena, Selena, let's start a whole choir, I like the way that you get you back, you don't need no one, help you inspire, And I'ma add to you, I'ma give you some things, I'ma add to you, Put on the avenue, and I ain't never seen no one bad, she money bad, I'm serious, too, they can't disrespect you, I gladly shoot, I don't play about mine, I don't care, I'm addicted to you when it's clear, And I'ma add to you, I'ma give you some things, I'ma add to you, Put on the avenue, and I ain't never seen no one bad, she money bad, I'm serious, too, they can't disrespect you, I gladly shoot, I don't play about mine, I don't care, I'm addicted to you when it's clear, I love the way your body is that too obvious, okay, I like your confidence, oh, that's what good confidence, okay,
After the salon, we came here to pick my fridge, and let me tell you a fun fact. I didn't pay upfront. I bought my fridge at 100K. It's a new brand in the market. It's called Tilak. From my understanding, as they explained to me, it's a reincarnation of Panasonic brand. So why not? When I bought Hey a long time ago, it was new in the market and it turned out to be the best. So and I bought it from them. So I trust them and I trust their judgment, and I also trust my instincts because I came back home and slept over it, did my research, and I was like, iko sawa. So this one, we found it at the entrance. It was Roch, 4 door. It went from 135, I guess. I'm not sure, I can't remember well because niliuliza vitu mingi bei. So fun fact, this is the Tilak. It's a side-by-side fridge. Let me not talk about the liters because I can't remember well unless I go and double check. But it's a humongous fridge. And also, as I was saying, I didn't pay 100K upfront. They allow installments, and you can do installments of as low as 1,000 shillings. Yes, but the installments are run up to 3 months. Huwezi pitisha 3 months. So you can start with even 1,000, but don't exceed 3 months. Then in between, you can pay whatever you get, like pay as you get, and and as you pay as you earn, you understand? So that is what happened to this fridge of mine. I didn't pay everything upfront, nilikuwa naenda hustle, nikipata nalipa. So that is how I got it. Simple.
You don't have to be worried about yani kishika moto, the turbo fan will cool everything automatic. It will not overheat. Yeah. That's the good thing you buy this gadget. You know, mostly other cookers, they don't have that turbo fan. So if you leave it on, if you use it for
So basically, these guys have all the patience in the world. They will explain everything you want. You'll ask this brand, they tell you the specifications. Ask this one, they tell you the specification. Ask the other one, they tell you the specification. And that is how you get to go home satisfied, a satisfied client, as you have had. That is a guy who was buying the BJ, and I think I like it. But of course, they got an 8/10 kwa sababu the delivery part was ish, very ish. It's Sunday morning, we got to go to church. Guys, you remember those Sicily outfits that I got? Nikawaonesha. This is one of them. I wanted him to give us a 360 ndio tuone, but wacha tu. So that is the outfit, one of them. Remember, one was a short 2-piece and the other one was a trouser, a tracksuit-ish 2-piece. So this is one of them. I love that 2-piece, by the way. It went for 1,200. Was it 1,200? Yani vitu zenye zinakuanga na bei kwa kichwa yangu ni mingi, so sometimes I tend to forget. And that was my outfit, my Sunday outfit, my green outfit. How is it, by the way? I've worn this around so many times when vlogging, and that was the shoe that I decided to wear. Of course, it was comfortable, and yeah, it was looking good with that. And later, after church, I decided to go to Carrefour Ruiru. Remember, sijawahi enda, ndio nikaamua kwenda mara ya kwanza, but mainly it was because I saw they had an offer on pearl rice. It was going for half price, so I decided to go and pick it, plus pick a few other stuffs, and the mall is beautiful. We have everything now. We have Miniso, we have textbook center, Omega something, yeah, like there are so many shops. Healthy you, oh my days, this is just it. We needed this in Ruiru, by the way, but kufika hapa hata hatukupata hiyo pearl rice, ilikuwa ishabaiwa yote. But I also saw some deals, kibao mingi deals, and yeah, we got basics too. Yeah, like that one was on offer. I took it, and I also saw these carpets. They were really cheap, and the quality was very nice, very nice. Of course, I didn't buy. I don't need a carpet for now, maybe later. Remember, I haven't even worked on my living room, like sijaguza. You guys have never even since I moved, hamjaiona your living room, so I don't know where to start. I haven't had a full picture of what I want with my living room, so right now I'm working on my kitchen. Yeah, after I'm done with the kitchen, then we'll go to the living room. Look at this boy. What is this? And the way it was hot. Amejifunika huko ndani na amelala. Like, tell me, being a kid, growing up is a scam, right? Who agrees? Who can agree more? Growing up is a scam. Like, hata mimi naweza taka kuwa hivyo. So hapa I wanted to do the unboxing. Remember, fridge ilikuja usiku, so I didn't, and then Sunday morning we were going to church, so I came to do the unboxing and wrapping, cleaning after church.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. this for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
I actually don't know why, but I just love washing my milk. I don't know. And then the other thing is, guys, those people who open the milk na meno, akiwoshe, kindly have some scissors. Kindly have some scissors like these ones, by the way, for cutting your milk or anything in the kitchen. Like, it's so disgusting when you cut your supplies with your teeth and your mouth. So disgusting, by the way. But there, guys, this is something that I learned from the internet the other day. It is only 4 natural ingredients. We have here, I have lemon, cucumber, pineapple, and ginger. And I posted it on my Instagram. Nikashamba, kumbe watu wanaijua. People can really get keep, and they are saying it really helped them in losing weight. You all know I want to lose my weight so badly. Like, I want to lose my weight vibaya sana. Na sioni kifuniko ya hiyo blender. Can see the kifuniko. Akintafunika na ile kitu tu utapata, by the way. I'll just use this kifuniko. This is something that I learned from the internet. Mimi nikapost Instagram, kumbe watu wanaijua. If you want to lose weight, this is what we are trying. You can start together with me. I've done it for like 3 days, and let me tell you, you literally feel your body is being cleansed. Like, so juzi nikitengeneza hiyo recipe Instagram, I discovered that I added a lot of water, and I'm trying to minimize the amount of water as minimal as I can. So somebody else told me that you don't use water, and I don't think they were being honest. Remember, if you want your blender to stay for long, like long, you don't completely, like, you don't put it on and then it blends until it finishes. You have to put it on and off, because, like, you see, this blender is so old, mpaka ijina imerabika, and it's only Ramtoms. You can imagine. And it does practically everything in my house. Ata nyanya, I blend to me. So let's see. That is what you do. On and off. 3 seconds. Actually 5 seconds is even a lot. 3 seconds. Any blender, hand blender, commercial blender, whatever blender it is, don't what? I don't know. Like that. It will last you forever. heavy. It's too heavy. It won't be able to sieve, and I need to sieve it today. Last time I used it, I didn't sieve it. So today I want to sieve it. I see what happens. So that is how you use your blender on and off in order not to burn the motor. It's called the motor. I've just remembered the name. So let me sieve it and let's see how it ends up. I have a big sieve somewhere. I'm looking for it. Very, very big sieve. So I'm going to use this big sieve in order not to sieve everything, because I really love the fibers. I love doing my fruits plus the fibers, so sitaki kusieve kila kitu. Is it too heavy? Today I'm cutting this spinach and terere. Today at least leo sina haraka sana. Sina haraka kama last time. And I have to do this because when house hunting, please consider a lot. Kama upendi kukatakata skuma, unapenda kufanyiwa vitu na mama mboga, consider that, because as I told you, huku kwetu hakuna mama mboga karibu, so I have to do this. I have to. So when moving, consider a lot of things. Consider things that would really piss you off. But hii nyumba vile ilikuwa inakaa, hata ningekuwa nimekumbuka story ya mama mboga and I don't like to cut skuma, singeacha hii though. But there is a lot to consider when moving. So today I want to cut them, at least in haraka. And our menu ni kama tu ya last time. I want to do greens, pork and ugali. So yeah, why not? Wacha nizioshe, nizikatakate ndio tunakula. At least today, no hurry in Africa. No hurry. So aje. When I got the fridge, I also got this washing machine cover. You all know my machine is outside, like my washing machine is outside and it's collecting a lot of dust. So I bought this washing machine cover, and I was also told that this type, the one that is reflecting the light, is the best because the light is also not good for the machine. So it looks like that, tutaiweka pamoja, and also iko na zip. We will install it together, iko hivyo. They sold it to me at 1,500. It looks like that, but then let me show you closer. Hawakuwa na black. I would have preferred black, but what to do? This is where I got it, and I got it at a good price. Jumia ninaona ni 3,800. This type, like, and then there's the other type that looks like a raincoat, which I don't like an umbrella. I don't like that material, so I found this one. I was told it's the best, and I got it. I also got some scents passed by somewhere, and I'll show you how to layer your scents on a budget. I also got these 3 items, Pale Junction Traders, Best Traders. This is where you get your perfumes on wholesale. Wase nimewa plug hii place sana. Miwambia, kanairo kulalanja ni kujitakia. If you don't know what to do with your life, kindly go check out my Instagram page. There are so many plugs that I've done as a wholesaler. So, this is Maya. This is a set. And I use a 1,000. Na si lazima uchukue na Maya or Easy. Unaweza chukua any 3 that you want. Bora uchukue zikiwa hivi atakupatia na 1,000. Like clearing your scents has never been this affordable. Arabic spray na alafu uchukue na hizi mbili atakupatia na 1,000. Unaweza chukua Maya, unaweza chukua Yara, unaweza chukua Choco Mask, anything. Bora uzibebe zikiwa hivi na zinatumika za kulea scents. Like, tell me how what? Na hii combo inanuka poa my lord. These two are rehab. Kuna perfume oil na ingine na hii. Heavenly. They smell heavenly. Any other scent that you need, the Arabic perfumes, nini zote wanauza in wholesale. Na I will assure you ni original. Kama unajua kuangalia perfume legit, jifikisha hapo uangalie alafu ununue. So I got those 3. And boys, hii pia nikanunua kwa ule mama wetu. I love this glove, like hizi zinaosha mpaka dhambi. Nilinunua hapo Unique Arcade penye niliwa plug last time. Then I got this also, nilibai hapo Best Traders penye nilibai Easy Perfume, wako na original Asante soap. We've talked about this, no need of repeating. Wako nayo, wanauza moja 200, wholesale 160. I also got these 2 items in your lashes, in your eyebrows. Like, it's a gel to lay your eyebrows, and then you apply wherever you are applying. This is for the mascara. For the lashes, for the eyebrows, 150. Got this at 150 and this 150. I also got this. Hizi zote, hizo gloves ni place different. Na hizi ni Van Cleef earrings. Van Cleef, yeah. These earrings, I got them at 200. Ni Van Cleef, and I got a bracelet. Ikombali. I got a bracelet, Nishava, and then this Van Cleef earrings at 200. And then what else? I got this watch for Mr. Khan. Siwezi jinunulia hizo vitu zote na nikose kununulia mtoto kitu. So I got this watch. Spider-Man, alafu unaifungueko hivyo, unaangalia saa, you know. He needs to look sharp. He needs to know mwanaume ni watch, mwanaume ni saa. Sawa sawa. I got this also different place, panaitwa Hawker's Pride at 200. Of course, wholesale wanaziuza different. If you take from 3 pieces, I didn't ask, but one day I'll do a vlog ya hiyo Hawker's Pride. They deal with watches only, smart watches, kila kitu. So hii kama ni 200 unaweza pata wholesale ni 150 ama 130. Nitawaulizia. So you see another business idea. Shule zimefungwa, wako na za girls, za boys, watch za ladies poa poa, watch za men. So there we go. Sina namba ya Hawker's Pride. I'll definitely do a plug ya watches ya Hawker's Pride. Sawa sawa. So easy, moja 200, you can buy it for your child, ama unaweza enda uwaulize ni mbesa ngapi. Kama mnataka kujua Hawker's Pride ni wapi Dubois, they deal with watches only, including smart watches. Niambieni hapo chini. Anything you want me to touch on in detail, niambieni hapo chini. So wacha nirudishe hii, ndio nikipeana zawadi nimpe ikiwa kwenye karatasi lake. Kijana asikie fresh, asikie bomba. So that's it for now, guys. See ya tomorrow. We were invited for my niece's birthday party, 1-year birthday party, and the theme was picnic. We arrived in these grounds called Paradise Gardens. They are so beautiful. Look at the horses. And I wanted to go and dig in, like nikule kwanza alafu ndio ni vlog. And then the worst happened. It started raining. Look at my small sister running away from the rain. It's her hair, you know. Watu wa Manuere, you see the rain, it really disappointed us, so we had to go home. I bumped on Sabiha talking about eczema on the socials, and as you all know, the last vlog I told you guys, my eczema is getting worse and worse. So when I saw Sabiha talk about it, that is a black soap, guys, original black soap, unprocessed black soap. So when I came here to consult her about what I can do with my eczema, what I can apply on my skin, I decided to show you what she has. Remember, my motto is sharing is caring. Sindia wadau. So mi nikiona kitu poa, I must put you on it. And let me tell you, her products are organic and very, very efficient. That remember that oil I had for lightening the inner thighs. Mi hata sijui Mombasa ningeenjoy aje na hizo dark inner thighs. Her oil really helped me, and I'm still using it, but right now I'm not using it on a daily. I use it occasionally, like thrice a week. So if you have dark inner thighs or anything else that you're suffering from, anajita Sabiha, pages zote Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Just even unaona hizo mafuta zimeandikwa Sabiha. She's a professional, she's a professor in that field, like for real. She has gone through school to do this, and she's a professor in sikumbuki aliniambianga inaitangwa aje, but her products are organic and very, very, very gentle on your skin. You can contact her, or rather check out her pages, uzipitie, and then you can make a choice if you can give credit to her. So twendeni kwa hizo pages, guys, and until the next vlog, bye my loves. I love you, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you.